Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung Galaxy A37 is on its way. Official test firmware shows upcoming improvements. It appears Samsung is preparing to release a new mid-range smartphone, the Galaxy A37. Its existence is practically confirmed, as information about the firmware for this model. Let's dive into the video for new upgrades and launching details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung launched the Galaxy A36 in March, and since we're fast approaching its one-year anniversary, it probably won't surprise you to find out that the Korean company is now busy developing its successor, the Galaxy A37. Firmware for the Galaxy A37 has now been spotted on Samsung's test servers. This is specifically intended for the A37 model number, which belongs to the US market. In fact, some of the test builds are for US carriers like AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, and US Cellular. According to the tech leaker Akhilesh Kumar, Galaxy A37 is already on Samsung's official testing servers. Indicates not only that development is progressing well, but also that Samsung is working with the official US variant device. That's a pretty good indication that you should expect the Galaxy A37 to have wide availability in the US. Whether it will launch at the same time there as in other markets remains to be seen. The Galaxy A36 took around 4 months to actually become available in the US following its global release. Hopefully, Samsung won't repeat this. The US firmware already being in development is a good sign that it won't. It's unclear what we should expect from the A37 specs-wise, as none have been officially leaked so far. For reference, note that the Galaxy A37 is expected to come with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display, 1080 by 2340 of resolution, with 120 Hz refresh rate and 1900 nits peak brightness, the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset, 6, 8, 12 GB of RAM, 128 and 256 GB of storage, a triple rear camera system, 50-megapixel main with OIS, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, 5-megapixel macro, a 12-megapixel selfie camera, and a 5000 mAh battery with 45 watts wired charging support. On the other hand, the new Samsung A57's Exynos 1680 may offer newer connectivity options. Bluetooth 6.1 has been spotted on the Bluetooth SIG platform, which means that the Galaxy A37 may get new Bluetooth 6.1 connectivity. In addition, the smartphones will go on sale immediately with Android 16 and One UI 8.5, and the promise of 6 years of security updates, and 6 major Android updates is expected. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.